Yo. All right, today is May 16th, 2025. Um, gonna go over today's levels, if there are any. Look like price didn't really do much. So this is for NQ. Let's go to ES first. Let's go to the day. I haven't really been looking at the volume at the day, but look like we haven't had much volume since um, high volume on the 12th. A lot of buying and then price is like topped off. So we'll see if price will eventually give out here and then drop. That'd be beautiful. Full hour. I don't see anything. 1 hour. We do have this here. All right, so we'll keep an eye on this level here. We can see that price broke, kind of held it, and then moved forward. So this might be a level that causes some kind of reaction. 30 minute looks like it might be the same level. Let's mark it back to the 1 hour. Yeah, same level. So that's a level if I look for from the 1 hour perspective versus a 30 minute, 15 minute, same level. Is it a level from yesterday? It is a level from yesterday. This 5925 level. All right. Now, I don't like using old levels, but prices are holding it. Let's go to the 5 minute. All right, sit down there. Okay. So we got this 5 minute level. I'm kind of interested in that one. I marked it yesterday. Looks like price did bounce off of it. Looked like it was trying to go, and then price just decided to destroy it. I'm going to label it for what it is, and then I'm going to look for price of buying volume coming up through that level, or hopefully price can break below it. That's supposed to be a resistance level, and if price breaks below it, then I'm definitely gonna be looking for. I just need to see buying volume somewhere around here. All right, let's go to the 1 minute. All right, so we got a lot of noise. That's too far. That's not okay. We got a fresh level up here. All right, so this is something to be of interest. 1 minute ABS resistance. All right, so we got that. All right, so let's go to the range chart and see if we got anything I can work with. Ten-tick range chart. No buying out of that. No selling out of there. 15-tick range chart. Straight selling from here. All right. So no buying up into it. 20 tick also. There's nothing here, so now we're just waiting. Wait. They don't need Anna. We're gonna change this into the 5 tick chart. nothing. All right, just let me see if there was any buying in that. There's nothing there. Put it back to the 1 minute. All right, so that's that. Let's go to NQ, a daily. We got that buying, same thing. Then we got this over here. Okay, 4 hour. We do have a little bit of something on the 4 hour. We got this level here. We're kind of at it, so I don't really trust it. 1 hour, we got this, so that's a pretty good level. Let's see if I have it marked already. I do. This 4 hour faded can go. 30 minute. Zoom out. Alright, so this one here we're kind of holding. We had it overnight, held it during the market. Boom. I think this is that same 30 minute level we have on NQ. I mean on ES. Alright, this level here. So we're keeping an eye on it. We're kind of like nice little range, and then price broke out. That was on Wednesday. 5 minute. Okay, so this is a very perplexed one. We are holding this area here, but there's so much going on that I don't know. I have mixed feelings about it. 1 minute. Let's see if we got that same level. I don't see it. We do have a 1 minute level down here, so we'll mark this one. One minute. ABS support. All right. Boom. So this is below the high. ES is above the high, or at the high, near the high, at the high. All right. Let's go to VIX. Resistance. Still kind of there. So I'm not gonna really too much delete it. We're still holding that 4 hour. I will delete these. All right, done. All right, so let's get a load of settlement price. Hmm. 8:30, 10, 4 o'clock. Alright, so we got 8:30 and 10. This is gonna be big. 10 o'clock news. Bouncing the heck out of that level, ain't it? So the 1 hour is where I started seeing this line here. Alright, I don't see anything on them. We're holding that. So this is the low here. So this is the low right here. Alright. You're below it, above it, below the high. So these two broke. Well, this is like kind of like holding it. So what can we make of this? I don't know. We may have to just wait this one out or sit this one out. One of the two. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much it. I'm done. I'm not gonna really try to force anything. I was going over my reflection from last week. I'm gonna do this again this week. Um, I wish I had reviewed it throughout the week before trading each day. This would have gave me a good perspective of what's in here, especially this one, right? And improving adjustments or any other thing, but most of the stuff down there would have been here. Would have been pretty helpful. So all right, so that's it. The market opens in about 15 minutes. We have consumer sentiment at 10 o'clock. Those are pretty much my basic levels. I don't have anything else of importance. The goal is just to get one good trade as always, and then try to exploit it as much as possible. So that's that. Yeah, so all right. Okay, I forgot to do this. So ES is an uptrend and Q is showing downtrend potential, but it's buying. So like I said, it's a bit confusion. So what did I want to do? I wanted to check out something from yesterday. I think I wanted to check out the 15 tick chart. Alright, so 15 tick chart had this line here. Alright, we broke through it, came down, broke through it, came down, and then we came up. Then we had this, bam, 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 absorption, and then it went. That's interesting. Absorption, and then it went. Got 10:45. Let's go to the 10 tick chart. Yesterday was the 15. That's where we're rounding off at. That's where we're rounding off at. Came back one more time and said, all right, let's go. So we had the absorption, boom, boom, and then we went. See how price held this on the 5-minute. We stayed in an uptrend, but the 5-minute was kind of like all over the place, right? So it was kind of hard to really figure out what the 5-minute was trying to do. Let's say the 30-minute. I don't recall if this was a 30-minute level. This was yesterday here. All right, that's that. 30-minute. So it's not a 30-minute level. So it was a 15-minute level. We had an absorption. Let's create that line. Go to the 30-minute. Right on it. Then we had the absorption and it's ready to go. Okay. That's probably something to look into. That maybe we'll have absorptions at those levels that have been broken several times, and look to see what price is doing. Because we had, like, if we look at the 1 minute, we had a lot of um, data being built around this, right? You can see we were creating a ton of support system there and saying, yo, I don't want to go down. And then price came up. And then we had this right here, right? Dude, let's go. And then let's look at this one here. From the 15 tick chart. Should have been going the other way. 15 tick chart. See that we had a buy right here. That hit, held this, right? And then that was the low. Came back to it, right? And I was looking at this like, damn, I should probably be long. And then that was it. And then from there, price gushed up until it said, all right, I'm done. Then it said, all right, now keep going. You thought I was done. But keep going. All right, I'm done here. I made my high. All right, so that was it right there. So we're gonna take it slow. We're gonna take it slow. We're gonna take it slow. All right, so that's it for me for today.